So now we have to discuss how to construct similar triangle. Okay, see exercise 8.2 similar triangles, 10th class, 13th problem. Construct an isosceles triangle whose base is 8 centimeters and altitude is 4 centimeters. Then draw another triangle whose sides are 1.5 times the corresponding sides of the isosceles triangle. So for this, first we have to draw isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means what here? Two sides of a triangle are equal. So first base equal to how much they given? 8 centimeters given. So first we have to draw the base equal to 8 centimeters. So I am taking here base equal to 8 centimeters. I am taking base equal to 8 centimeters you take. Okay, so base BC I am taking this one. So this one is the C equal to how much here? 8 centimeters. Okay. So now here base BC equal to 8 centimeters we draw. So height to draw means now we have to draw perpendicular bisector of BC. Perpendicular bisectors how we have to draw? So you take here B as a center, more than half you take. More than half means suppose a right there means 4.4 after how much? That much you take here. More than half means this much you will get. So B as a center, you draw one arc here. So means here, so you draw a one arc here. And down also one more arc you draw it. Down also one more arc. Again here C as a center, one more arc you draw it. So down also another arc you draw it. For example, I draw it. Next, you join these two. So you join these two. If you draw, use compass means you will get exactly, but here just I am drawing here. So this one perpendicular bisector, you draw it first. Okay, we draw this one. Now see here, now you take here height equal to 4 centimeters. So height equal to 4 centimeters. From here to here you take 4 centimeters. So 4 centimeters means here according to my scale I am getting here I am getting. So this equal to here to here how much is there? 4 centimeters there. Altitude equal to 4 centimeters. Okay. Now this one you take here. Which one you take here? 4 centimeters here. So this one you take here. A you take. Now join. These two you join it. AB and BC both you join it. So again these two also you join it. Okay. So now you got here ABC is a isosceles triangle you got. Okay. Then what you have to do? From here you construct a acute angle triangle. Acute angle means what here? Less than 90. So you can draw anything here. Less than 90 we have to draw from here. See. So it is a acute angle. So this one I am taking here X. So this one is the acute angle. Acute angle means what here? It is less than 90 degrees. Then here once you observe here, so what they given? 1.5 times given. 1.5 times means what here? So this here one and half given, na? So I am taking here one and half means what? We can write it is a mixed fraction. Mixed fraction you convert into improper fraction. Means what here? 2 1 ja 2. 2 plus 1 no 3. 3 by 2. 3 by 2. So here 3 by 2 means more than this you will get. Okay. Anyhow, see here this one divide into 3 equal parts. Bx ray is there, na? This one divide into 3 equal parts. Means here you take compass, any radius you take and you cut like this. See 1, 2, 3 you write. Your wish. Length means your wish. How much you want to take, that much you take. So this one I am taking here. This one is the B1, B2 and B3. Okay. Next we have to join here down. How much is there? 2 is there in the denominator. This 2 and C. This both you join. Okay. So B2 and C. This both you join. Okay. So you join it. B2 and C. Now you have to extend the BC. Extend this one BC, extend here. Extend like this. Now B3 to B3 means here this 3 is there. Now from B3 to you draw one parallel line. Okay, parallel line to the B2C. So B2C one parallel line you draw it through B3. Through B3 I am drawing the parallel line here. Okay, so it intersect extended BC at C dash you take. Again from here to through C dash we have to draw one parallel line to AC. So parallel line to AC you write like this. Okay, parallel line you write. So this one also you extend. BA also extend. BA. They extend like this. So this one intersect at A dash. Okay. Now here this A dash B C dash is the required triangle. Okay. A dash B C dash is the required triangle too, similar to triangle ABC. So now we have to write here construction. We have to write. See, construction now we have to write here. See, steps of construction. Construction. So, first point what we have to write here? Draw a base. Here we have to write here. Draw base BC equal to 8 centimeters. 8 centimeters. Okay. And next second one. Now construct isosceles triangle ABC. Construct isosceles triangle ABC. So we constructed. Now here, so you take here means isosceles triangle ABC I taken. So height equal to how much I taken here? This one. Height equal to, suppose here you take here O. So here OA is the height of the triangle ABC. Okay. Now perpendicular bisector after we have to write. This all no need to write in construction. First according to similar triangle you draw it. Okay. Construct isosceles triangle ABC. Okay. Next third point. Third point, see here construct construct perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay, bisector of AB. Now next fourth point, take altitude OA equal to 4 centimeters on perpendicular line. On perpendicular line. Okay, next fifth point, see. Next construct angle CBX. Construct an acute angle. Acute angle means, I told here, acute angle means less than 90 degrees. Construct an acute angle CBX. Acute angle means we measure. No need to measure that one. CBX we draw. Next, sixth point, divide ray BX into 3 equal parts. The 3 equal parts, which one are there? See here, B1 equal to B1 B2 equal to B2 B3. Okay, 3 equal parts, B1 you write in this bracket. Next join, we have to join CB2. Next, 8th point, see. Now draw a parallel line. Draw parallel line to CB2 through B3. Through B3 we have to draw. Okay. Next, same way again we have to draw. So when we will draw parallel line to CB2 through B3, it intersect. Okay, it intersect extended BC at C dash. Okay. Now again next point, 10th point, see. 10th point. Now again one more line we have to draw. Draw a line parallel to AC. Okay, so these two are parallel and these two also parallel. Okay, now we have to draw parallel to AC through, draw parallel to AC through C dash. Now this one also 11th point, so I am writing here. Now see, it intersect extended BE, extended BA at A dash. therefore next 12th point, the last point, what? Therefore triangle A dash B C dash, triangle A dash B C dash is required triangle similar to triangle ABC. Okay, so this is the similar triangles. So here this triangle numerator is more there, means similar triangle also you will get the greater one you will get. Okay, bigger triangle you will get. Okay, thank you for watching Rankers Academy YouTube channel.